Guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a paint session for you today. We're going to be doing the flame crawl. You'd have to go back 2 or 3 years ago, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, were the last time we did this pattern. So stick around. Crawl patterns coming up. This will be a good one for this transition from fall into winter. Let's go spray some paint. All right, we got BDS Lucky Craft BDS 3 maybe. I really like the BDS 4. It's a little bit bigger bait, but it's a favorite. And these BDS 3s are really good too. So we're just going to lay down. We got our base coated lure, and you'll notice a little tape stripe. Customer wanted me to leave the wording on this particular bait, so we'll have to kind of match that in. I do think this bait originally had some yellow, and I left some of that underneath, so we're just going with a little transparent yellow. Going to fade that up into the sides from the belly, and we'll get the flame crawl rolling here. Alright, we're going to come back with some red over the top. It's a really bright red, got a lot of shine to it. Quick heat set. What we've got here is a green pumpkin brown. It's got a lot of brown in it. We are going to do a crawl pattern on this particular bait, and I'm going to use some Insane Custom Stencils, I believe, for this one, and I don't have those out and ready to go, so give me just a second here, and we will dig some of those out. I'm going to turn it over, connect them on the belly as well. Now let's see if you're going to be able to see that. We'll bring her up. Just going to lay some connecting dots. Probably going to need to take that tape off and get ready to fade that in too. Yeah, that don't look too bad. Actually, that yellow was a pretty close match, but we don't want that white showing on the outside of it, though. We'll just touch it up. A little yellow. Try not to get in his wording. He wanted to keep that pretty legit, so. Get that back in frame. Put a little bit of texture in. Last thing on this particular bait is put a little orange stripe down the belly. Reveal the eyes, get the tape off the bill. We're set. We just left the eyes in this one. It's got a good look. Just like that, just like it is with those good looking eyes. The eyes was in good shape, so we're going to leave the pinchers on the bill like it was originally. And to my friend Don in Edmond, Oklahoma, flame crawl, Bubba. That is the flame crawl. Let's give you guys a good close-up look. Get some light on it. That brown green pumpkin back and stripes with texture. Yellow and a pearl red with a little orange stripe on the belly. Colors that went into this, we started with an Audubon yellow. Transparent orange for the belly stripe. A pearl red from Wicked. A burnt umber. And a transparent leaf green to make our brown again, about 4-to-1. More brown umber than this. I think I went, I don't know, 6-to-3, something like that, drops. So if you want to get it exact. Appreciate everybody stopping in, check out the channel. If you want to see some more or different videos, please make comments or leave comments at the bottom. Hope you enjoyed the flame crawl. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and we will see you guys next week.